Major Indian military operations. Operation Polo, 1948. It was India's military action to integrate Hyderabad, a princely state under the Nizam, into the country. The Nizam sought independence, but concerns over communal tensions and the Razakas militia led India to intervene. The swift 5 day operation ended with Hyderabad's surrender, ensuring India's territorial unity and stability. Operation Vijay, 1961. It was India's military action to liberate Goa, Daman, and Diu from Portuguese rule. The operation lasted 36 hours, involving air, sea, and land strikes. The Portuguese surrendered on December 19th, ending 451 years of colonial rule. This marked Goa's integration into India, reinforcing national sovereignty. Operation Cactus Lily, 1971. It was a crucial Indian military operation during the Bangladesh Liberation War. It involved an air assault to cross the Meghna River, bypassing Pakistani defenses at Ashuganj. Led by Lieutenant Sagat Singh, it enabled Indian forces to encircle Dhaka, accelerating Pakistan's surrender and Bangladesh's independence. Operation Blue Star, 1984. It was a military operation ordered by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi to remove Sikh militants, led by Jarnail Singh Bhindranwale, from the Golden Temple in Amritsar. The Indian army stormed the temple, leading to heavy casualties and damage. The operation intensified Sikh unrest and had lasting political consequences. Operation Meghdut, 1984. It was India's military operation to secure the Siachen Glacier, the world's highest battlefield. Launched preemptively, it thwarted Pakistan's attempt to control the region. Indian forces occupied key strategic points, ensuring dominance over the glacier. This operation solidified India's territorial claim and remains a critical defense position. Operation Woodrose, 1984. It was a military crackdown in Punjab following Operation Blue Star. The Indian Army targeted Sikh militants, detaining thousands of young Sikh men, many of whom were tortured or disappeared. The operation intensified unrest, leading to widespread alienation among Sikhs and escalating tensions in the region. Operation Pawan, 1987. It was India's military intervention in Sri Lanka to disarm the Liberation Tigers of Tamil Eelam, LTTE, under the Indo-Sri Lanka Accord. The Indian Peacekeeping Force, IPKF, faced fierce resistance in Jaffna, leading to heavy casualties. The operation became a strategic blunder, escalating tensions instead of resolving them. Operation Rakshak, 1990. It was a counterinsurgency and counter-terrorism operation in Jammu and Kashmir. The Indian Army aimed to curb militancy and restore stability. Over time, it evolved with stricter protocols to minimize civilian impact. The operation remains ongoing, reflecting India's continued security efforts in the region. Operation Sab Vinash, 2003. It was a counter-terrorism mission by the Indian Army in Jammu and Kashmir's Pir Panjal range. Conducted in 4 phases, it targeted terrorist hideouts near Hilkaka. The operation eliminated around 65 militants, securing the region. Operation Black Tornado, 2008. It was India's counter-terrorism mission in response to the 2008 Mumbai attacks. Conducted by the National Security Guard (NSG), the operation targeted terrorists in locations like the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel, Oberoi Trident, and Nariman House. The NSG neutralized the attackers, rescued hostages, and restored security after the devastating assault. Operation Devi Shakti, 21. It was India's 2021 mission to evacuate citizens, embassy staff, and Afghan minorities from Taliban-controlled Afghanistan. Led by the Indian Air Force, it ensured safe passage for over 800 people amid the crisis. The operation showcased India's commitment to protecting its nationals and assisting vulnerable communities. Operation Ganga 2022. It was India's 2022 evacuation mission to rescue citizens stranded in Ukraine during the Russian invasion. Coordinated by the Ministry of External Affairs, it involved the Indian Air Force and private airlines, successfully bringing back over 22,000 Indians. The operation showcased India's diplomatic efforts and crisis management skills. Operation Trident 1971. It was India's naval offensive against Pakistan during the 1971 Indo-Pakistani War. Conducted on December 5, it targeted Karachi, destroying Pakistani vessels and fuel storage. The Indian Navy used missile boats effectively, inflicting heavy losses. The operation's success is commemorated annually as Navy Day in India. Operation Samudra Setu 2020. It was India's naval mission launched on May 5, 2020 to repatriate citizens stranded overseas during the COVID-19 pandemic. Over 55 days, Indian Navy ships evacuated 3,992 Indians from countries like the Maldives, Sri Lanka, and Iran. The operation was part of the Vande Bharat mission and ensured safe passage while adhering to strict health protocols.